What it do, YouTube? This your boy Motorcity Nique. I'm back with another video. Got some bad news, some sad news in the day, man. Kind of salty, but man, Apple Rose is kind of down right now. I'm sorry. I'm sick. Nah, I'm just playing, man. Apple Rose ain't down, y'all. I had some issues with a fan. My motherfucking radiator fans on here. For some reason, only one come on, so I just kind of been out doing some junkyard hunting and stuff, and ended up finding me a motor. I was trying to actually find me another, a complete junkyard, you know what I'm saying, fan and all that, the whole harness and the whole hookup, but unfortunately, I couldn't find it, man, so I ended up finding me another motor. I had to think smart and work, you know what I'm saying, not work as hard. What to say? Think smarter, don't work as hard, you know, however to say it go. But low-key, man, what I end up doing is I end up finding another motor at the junkyard. I would have took y'all along with me, but I was kind of focused on, you know what I'm saying, get to what I get in, and you know what I'm saying, working out what I need to. So I'm gonna show y'all, you know what I'm saying, the issue that I'm having with Apple Rose and stuff, so y'all can kind of check it out, or you know what I'm saying, you know, see what's going on. So I'm gonna kind of take y'all through it. Hopefully this work, man. I'm not 100% guaranteed or sure that this is actually gonna work. So if it don't work, I know it's a wiring issue with the connection on one of my fans. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna check back with y'all in just a second. I'm gonna show y'all what my problem is. All right, y'all, I'm back. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. As you can see, this is my radiator right here, and I only got one fan. Right now the AC is going. I already took the fan out because for some reason the fan wasn't working, man. It wouldn't come on. Only that one would come on. So I've been on the junkyard trying to find another fan and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show y'all. As you can see, this is the fan right here. I took it out yesterday. I can cut that off, but as you can see, I took the fan out. I was having issues with trying to find a whole complete fan, so I actually just ended up taking out another motor out of a different vehicle. It wasn't the same year, but it actually lines up perfectly. So I think I'm gonna be able to MacGyver some shit and, you know what I'm saying, actually rewire and reuse all the components and still maintain my fan. So hopefully it worked, man. I got my fingers crossed, and I prayed that it worked and I'm able to get both of the fans to come back on. But, all right, y'all, as y'all can see, I took my wiring harness out that connects to the fans. So what I'm about to do is reconnect this. I cut this on purpose, so don't worry about that. But I'm going to rewire the harness back up to the second fan, and hopefully I got my fingers crossed that this corrects my issue and this corrects my problem. So show y'all right here. I got an extra wire harness that connects, you know, to that. This one actually color-wise matches, but I'm not sure if that's truly long enough for the fan. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to go ahead and break that fan down, get that old motor out, put the replacement motor in, and then I'm about to rewire my harness and get my harness back wired up. So hopefully it'll correct my issue. All right, y'all. Looks like I did it. Looks like I figured it out. As you can see, I got both fans installed. Both fans is on. They kicking. All I gotta do is just button down my wires and put all the links back up on there. So I think I could give this one a thumbs up on a successful job. And I think I got it all set. So I definitely appreciate y'all for watching, man. If this is the first time checking out your boy videos, be sure to hit that like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. So, you know, anytime that I got a nice little update, nice little video or something shaking, y'all come check me out, man. So, once again, it's your boy Motorcity Nique. Check it out with another video. I'll holla at you. Peace.